Hello students, in this video you will find dual character of material object, that is dual character of electron. According to de Broglie concept, a material particle, hence electron, like radiations, have dual character. From that concept given by de Broglie, wave mechanical theory of matter originated. According to this wave mechanical theory of matter, these material particles like electron, proton, etc. have wave property, possess wave character. Then according to de Broglie, a material particle in motion possesses dual character, particle as well as wave character. Two characters are there, particle property and wave property. Now, de Broglie equation. De Broglie equation de Broglie equation if an electron has wave property, then it must have wavelength. If electron is moving and it has wave character, then it must have wavelength. Now, if a particle of mass m moving with velocity v, then the wavelength can be represented by, if a particle of mass m and velocity v, then wavelength lambda equal to h by mv. This is called de Broglie equation. This is called de Broglie equation. If a particle of mass m moving with velocity v, then wavelength lambda equal to h by mv. This is called de Broglie equation. And lambda is, what is lambda? Lambda is de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength. Now, derivation of this equation. Derivation of de Broglie equation. De Broglie equation. De Broglie equation can be derived by combining two equations. Number one, equation number one. First, by Planck's quantum theory of radiation. Planck's quantum theory of radiation. According to Planck's quantum theory of radiation, here E equal to h nu, where h equal to Planck constant. Planck constant, its value is 6.625 into 10 to the raised power minus 27 erg second, or 6.625 into 10 to the raised power minus 34 joule second. This is the Planck constant, and nu equal to, this nu equal to frequency of radiation. Frequency of radiation. Here, and also since nu equal to c by lambda, where c equal to velocity of light or radiation, and lambda equal to wavelength. Then this equation can be written as nu equal to c lambda. Then we can write here, therefore E equal to h into c by lambda, according to Planck's quantum theory of radiation. Now, second point, here, according to Einstein theory of relativity, E equal to mc square, where m equal to mass and c equal to velocity. Now these two equations, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Here velocity of photon, mass of photon, here velocity of photon, wavelength, like that. On combining 1 and 2, on combining equation 1 and 2, we can write mc square equal to h into c by lambda. One c is cancelled here, then mc equal to h by lambda, or lambda equal to h by mc. Here this is called the Broglie equation. This is called the Broglie equation and this is called the Broglie wavelength. For other particles, if mass equal to m, velocity equal to v, then lambda equal to h by mv, the Broglie equation. M into v is called momentum. P. Then we can write here, therefore, lambda equal to h by p. Here, lambda is inversely proportional to 1 by m and lambda is inversely proportional to 1 by p. In this case, the Broglie wavelength here, the Broglie wavelength is inversely proportional to mass. Inversely proportional to mass. With the increase of mass, the value of lambda decreases. The value of lambda decreases if mass increases. Hence, for the material particle of appreciable mass like cricket ball, it has appreciable mass, then lambda will be very small, it cannot be measured, it is meaningless, and hence moving cricket ball has only particle character. Wave character is here, is of no significance, it is meaningless because wavelength is very short and cannot be measured, it is meaningless. Then for the body of appreciable mass, wave nature, wave particle is of no value. Now this is the Broglie equation, and wave, and this is showing the dual character of electron. Here wavelength shows the wave character and m shows the mass, particle nature. Hence an electron, a moving particle, is having two character. M means particle character and lambda means wave character. Its application, dual character, dual nature of electron is used, number one, in making electron microscope. Electron microscope is a very powerful tool in scientific research, in which electron wave is used to see the extremely small object. And it is also electron wave, this is also used, dual character, wave character is also used in studying the surface structure of solid. That's all for today. Again next day you will get very interesting topic of this chapter. Thank you.